Hello, everyone. Welcome to the release team weekly meeting. Today is March 29th, 2023. Let's, before starting, just make sure that this meeting under CNCF Code of Conduct, which means be nice to each other, be kind to each other. And with that, I will paste the link for the agenda here. So please add your name, and I will share the screen as well. All right. So I can see there is no open discussions has been added to the agenda. So we will go directly to the updates enhancement team. Mark?
No updates from the enhancements team for the last couple of weeks. We're still just moving along.
Yeah, you've done already an amazing job at the beginning of this release. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So any question to enhancement? If no, so moving to CI Signal. Drew?
Hi, yeah, Drew from CI Signal here. So yeah, our status is green. We have 3 flaky issues on master informing, and then 1 flaky issue on master blocking. The one issue that we have is a little noisy, but we're communicating with SIG storage. Fine too. So yeah, that's my update.
Okay, thank you, Drew. Any question to CI Signal? All right, so moving to Pack Triage.
Hi, Parthy from Pack Triage. So our status is green. We only have 1 issue related to testing, which should be merged soon. But yeah, otherwise we're all empty. We're good to go.
Thank you. Sounds good. Any question to Pack Triage? All right, moving to docs. Mickey?
Talking on mute. Everything's green on docs. All of our docs as of yesterday are in the ready for review or merge status, which is great news because we had some ones that got a little bit stuck for a while. Our next big docs deadline is April 4th, which is a week from yesterday and a week prior to the actual release. So we're going to do one final push as a team to make sure that all of them are reviewed and approved and merged. We're also waiting for the final draft of the release blog for us to review. And aside from that, as the lead, I'm just ensuring that everything is ready for release day. There's a lot of minor nits and access requirements for actually doing things like freezing everything for the release. So I'm trying to go through the list right now with some of the past doc leads to make sure we've done that.
Oh, good. Thank you, Mickey. Any question to docs? All right, moving to release notes. Ricky?
Hey, everyone. Release notes is currently green. We pushed out the 1.27 beta release notes PR yesterday, and it's currently being reviewed, and we're planning to get the release candidate release notes out this week.
Thank you. Right, moving to comms. Joel?
Hi everyone, it's Joel from comms. So our current status is green. We're on track to have the feature blog schedule ready this week. The release blog is also in progress. We're reviewing some things, but it's pretty much almost done. For the feature blogs, 5 are already ready for review, and there is 11 that are tracked and wiped. We're pressing the CAP owners to have them finished by and reviewed by 4th of April. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, moving to release branch management.
Yep, so we have our RC0 cut last Thursday. During the cut, there was a commit, which is not good for cutting. It's been brought up to release engineering. Green otherwise.
Sounds good. All right, so James.
Hello, I have lots of things to talk about. So, the mid-cycle shadow survey closed on Monday. Thank you to everyone who responded. I'm going to be going through and kind of collating results from that to share out probably next week. Thank you to those that responded. Remember, if anything does come up, anyone has questions or concerns about with regards to anything, you don't need to wait for a survey or anything. Feel free to reach out to me directly, or you will lead directly. The other big thing that happened is we started assembling the 128 release team, and I happen to have my update before Xander, so I get to jump in on this one and say congratulations to Grace for being nominated as the lead for 128, and to Leo, who I don't believe is on the call, as the EA for 128. I'll let Xander talk a little bit about Grace's nomination, but Leo is, as someone many of you will know, if you don't, he was the release lead for 126, I want to say, and has been on the release team for a very long time, and is also a contributor in the wider community. I believe is a co-chair of CNCF Tag Environmental Sustainability, among many other things. And so I'm really happy to be handing over to him for 128. Speaking of succession, more generally, role leads, some of you have already reached out. Everyone else, please talk to me about succession for your role going forwards into 128. Yeah. I have also, the other thing is retros. I need to schedule retros part 2 and 3 for the online ones. I've also submitted to the Contributor Summit CFP for Amsterdam to do a hour session for a in-person retro. That'll be in addition to the online ones if it does happen. I've submitted to the CFP. There's no guarantee we'll be chosen. If we're not chosen for it, we can do my camera has died. Almost made it for my update. We can do an informal something where for those that are there. Again, if you're not there, the online ones will still happen. Yeah, that's everything from me as my camera has died.
Congratulations, Grace. So excited, and so excited for you as well. Looking forward to see the amazing release cycle. Right. Thank you so much, James. Moving to Xander.
Yeah, so love to see a straight dock of green 2 weeks before the release. That's as good a situation as we could possibly be in. Yeah, the 12018 is forming right now. So this is always like my favorite part of the release cycle, is getting to go through this issue and just like see all of the positivity and the community like doing what they do. Yeah, it's really great. And again, congratulations to Grace. I know everyone has seen Grace like pretty regularly on these calls, you know, through several release cycles now. And she was our release management shadow this time around. And yeah, certainly can't think of anyone more deserving of being the next release lead. She's going to do an amazing job. Yeah, and let's see, do I have anything else? I don't think so. Appreciates everyone's work, and yeah, it's we're almost there, getting near the close.
Thank you, Xander. Anything for discussions after we were done with the status? Right, so I will stop sharing, and we can end this meeting. So thank you, everyone, and see you in the next meeting.
Oh, hold on a sec, actually. Let's stop the recording.
Yeah.
And I'll do